Now let's set how your PopCard behaves, who sees it, when it appears, and how customers can close it. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Start by opening the Behavior tab. At the top, under the Set PopCard Behavior, you'll see two options. Make this PopCard sticky keeps the pop-up in place even when visitors scroll. And Make this PopCard dim the background darkens the rest of the page so your message stands out more. You can choose one or both, depending on how much attention you want the PopCard to grab. A quick tip: using both sticky and dim works great for urgent promotions. Just use it thoughtfully so it doesn't feel overwhelming. Next, choose how visitors can close the pop-up. You can let them close it by clicking anywhere outside the pop-up, or you can require them to click the X button. If you want to make sure people actually read your message before closing it, choose Click the X. If you want something lighter and less intrusive, Click Outside works well. Under Who to Show, choose the audience you want to target. You can show the pop-up to all visitors, only to new visitors, only to returning visitors, or only to logged-in customers. Targeting specific groups, like new visitors for a welcome discount, can really help boost engagement. Then, choose when your pop-up should appear. Immediately shows the pop-up right away when the page loads, great for urgent announcements. After time lets you add a short delay. When you select this, you'll enter the time in seconds. For example, showing the pop-up after 3 seconds gives visitors a moment to settle before they see it. When scrolled down shows the pop-up after a visitor scrolls through part of the page. Just enter a percentage, like 50%, and the pop-up will appear once they've scrolled halfway down. When user tries to leave, also known as exit intent, triggers the pop-up when someone moves their cursor toward leaving the page. Perfect for last chance offers or reminders. For a smooth, non-intrusive experience, try after time or scroll down. Save immediately for important messages, and use exit intent to catch visitors before they go. Finally, choose how often visitors should see the pop-up. You can show it every visit, once per hour, once per day, once per week, or once per month. Limiting how often it appears can help the pop-up feel helpful without being too repetitive. And that's everything inside the Behavior tab. Whenever you need help, just click the Get Help button at the top right. Support is always right there for you. And if you want a demo or need extra support, just email support@epicshops.com. We'd love to help you explore what's possible and help you sell more online.